There are many reasons why your trunk might not open. In this video I will troubleshoot it and show you how I fix this trunk for free. All locks have an emergency backup switch, so you have to enter from the rear seats to press it and open the trunk. In most cases, just a simple visual inspection will reveal what the problem is, and I was shocked to see how much corrosion there was both on the switch but also in its connector. I simulated closing the trunk by arming the lock with a screwdriver. I cleaned them both, but the problem was not fixed. So, in order to isolate the problem, I used some tweezers, but you could also use a piece of wire to connect the two pins of the connector. This test showed that it was actually the switch that failed, and it is always a good idea to test everything before you assemble back together. If you want to see how I repaired this switch at no cost, click the video on the screen.